So CJ and I, if you any CBC listeners in the house, CJ and I got up early on Tuesday. Thanks, CJ. I'm not a morning person. Are you a morning person, CJ? No. Okay. So the group told the two non-morning people to go on the morning show. Thanks a lot. I'm just kidding. It was fun. We had fun, right?
Yeah. Just a couple birds doing their thing.
Just a few birds doing their thing is what CJ just said. Okay. So long story short, we're both not morning people. Okay. It's 8 a.m., which I know like for a lot of folks is like I've been up for 3 hours already. Well, like I don't know. No. It's just not our thing. So we were talking about the whole program and like telling everyone about the show tonight and telling people to come and Sheila was so great. But at one point I did say it was cool to get to go to Last Mountain Lake, and see the birds, a bunch of birds doing their thing. And I said that quote and I had a friend text it to me and now CJ keeps teasing me about it. I'm not like Glenn, you know so much about the scientific side of things and like what all the birds are and stuff. And Ryan, you teach and you know how to speak to people. I'm just a songwriter. We're just a couple songwriters. So pardon?
What things were the birds doing?
Just their thing, man. Just their thing. Come on. Just doing their thing. All right. So, CJ, would you like to tell us a little bit about your experience? Like, what did you see any birds do their thing? I don't know what that case from. Do you want to talk about your time at Last Mountain Lake or something you liked
First
about
of all,
it?
I saw a lot of birds doing their thing.
Cool.
It was a great experience overall. I just got to increase my abilities with writing, so that was pretty cool.
Cool. What was your favorite song to jam on? There are lots of jams. We have to ask. What was your favorite jam song?
That one's a tough one. I'm going to say Adele, Rolling in the Deep.
Yay!
Or we made our own version called Rolling in the Grass and Rolling with the Deer.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Rolling with the Deer, Rolling in the Grass. Yeah, everything got nature inspired. All right. Do you want to introduce your song?
The song I'm going to be singing is called Broken and Bruised. It's kind of about a bit of my past. So, yeah, I don't know.
Well, we look forward to hearing it. CJ, everybody.